Gyr9Nm Residual Current Operated Circuit Breaker is suitable for AC 50 Hz, rated voltage 240, rated current up to 40 A when people come to electric shock or leakage current of the network exceeds the specified value. It can quickly cut off the faulty power supply in very short time to protect the safety of people and electrical equipment. At the same time, it can protect the overload or short circuit of the line and can also be used for infrequent switching of the line. It is suitable for terminal distribution lines in commercial office buildings, residential and general industrial use. Compliant with GBT 16917.1, IEC 61009-1. Normal closing of the product. Press the test button. Normal tripping of the product. Leakage function is normal.